Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to film this video. It's gonna be like a very quick review about one of the items I came across a few months ago, but I only managed to use it like this week, like a few days ago, and I was quite disappointed with this. So this video is going to be a product review, a very quick product review. Now this is only just my own personal experience, so I don't want to offend anybody out there. If this works for you, absolutely amazing. Please do share your techniques with me as well so I can see how to use it, but I'm only sharing my personal opinion on this. Now everybody has to bear this in mind. Everybody has their own way of using stuff and everything, so it might be my technique is not right. So again, very solidly, I'm not offending anybody because I do love this brand a lot. I'm actually wearing their lashes right now, so I just want to talk to you guys about this magnetic lashes. So this is from Ardell Beauty, one of my favorite absolutely favorite brand for false lashes, because they make you look, the lashes are actually so natural. They don't even look you wearing a falsies. They pretty much look like it's your natural. Like today I'm wearing demi wispies, and as you can see, I cannot even tell I'm wearing falsies. Like they literally blend into my own lashes and they look super natural, and they are super lightweighted. So that's what I really like it. This is the one I'm using today, but I used this like 2 days ago for my last look, and I was very disappointed with this. Very disappointed. It was not an easy thing to work with. Maybe I just don't know the right technique. I'm trying to find as many videos as possible to see how other people are using it. I might give another go, but for now I am not a huge fan of these. They were super tricky to work with. Like if the magnet sticks from this end, the front was coming off. If it was stick from front, the end was coming off, and the whole time I was just like trying to adjust them, or they were looking like very slanted. So I was just not really impressed by this particular item from Ardell. So it could be I'm not applying it right, or it could be I don't know the right technique, but personally right now I am not really a huge fan of this particular product. Now this, I think the lashes itself was around $10 or $12. I bought it from a store just over here in Regina, so I didn't order it online. They might be cheaper on Amazon or something, I haven't looked, but I bought it from the store, and I believe it was $12. Luckily I only bought one pack because I wanted to see how to use it, how to apply it and everything else. But I tried doing everything for my last look to make them work, but they didn't work for me. They are still sitting in my lash box, so they are still there, and I am keeping the box as well to read the instructions again and all that stuff, but I'm not really sure at this point. I just wanted to let you guys know out there, if you're a new person who's trying lashes first time, or who's looking for a good lashes in the market, even though the concept sounds amazing, you don't have to put any glue or anything, it's just magnetic, but it's super tricky to work with. Super tricky. Unless you're like professional and you are so good with lashes, you know how to do it, go for it. But if you are a newcomer or amateur, I will not recommend these ones because they are going to be super tricky to work with, and you might find it frustrating, because at one point I was feeling frustrated as well, because my whole look was so good, and just trying to adjust them, making my look was going smudgy or everything. So I was just, at the end I was like, okay, I'm gonna do whatever I have done so far, and I'm gonna take pictures and finish the video, but I'm gonna do a review video separate. So that's what I'm doing right now. So my personal opinion is, it's not a very good product. It's not a very easy to work with, and it's not one for the cost. I would have expected much more than that. Now there's one thing missing. I do not have the applicator. Apparently there is a separate applicator for the magnetic lashes. I will see why, because that probably would be all plastic. Otherwise, if it's a metal, the magnet will stick to the metal, so it might be all plastic. But I don't have that. But I tried using the other plastic one I had and it still didn't work for me. And I hope you find this review helpful. I was just trying to save you guys some money and save you some frustration and hassle as well. Have a good day. Love you all. Take care and enjoy your life. Bye bye.